Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is teacher Fayyaduddin Ahmad. Today we are going to have a brief review and also we'll discuss the questions and answers from a recent topic, lesson number 4, climate from chapter 7. The book is Macmillan McGraw-Hill series and the pages covering this lesson in your book, in your science book, they are 346 to 350. So the review is what we learned in the past. What is climate? We learned what is climate, and we have seen the different climate regions like polar regions, temperate regions, tropical regions, and also the factors affecting climate. We have seen how the latitudes affect the climate, and also the global winds, ocean currents, and distance from water, and mountains or the altitude. So how these factors they affect the climate. We have studied all these. Hope you all have read the book also. Now we are going to discuss some questions and answers from this lesson. Question number 1, what is climate? So we have studied the pattern of seasonal weather that happens year after year is called climate. The pattern of seasonal weather that happens year after year is called climate. So the question number 2, what determines climate? What determines climate? The answer for this is several things affect a region's climate over time, which include latitude, winds, ocean currents, altitude, and distance from water. Several things affect a region's climate over time, which include latitude, winds, ocean currents, altitude, and distance from water. So we have covered all these things in our earlier sessions. So question number 3, name different climate regions. Name different climate regions. The answer for this is the different climate regions are polar regions, temperate regions, and tropical regions. The different climate regions are polar regions, temperate regions, and tropical regions. You have some homework today. Please learn these questions and answers and also write these questions and answers in your science classwork copy. As we have done in the earlier lessons, please complete your science copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.